Mixed condensed milk with peanuts and was surprised with the result. I'm going to start this recipe by adding 400 grams of peanuts to a bowl. Then I'm going to add 800 grams of condensed milk and mix it well. Let me know how you make condensed milk and peanut desserts at home. I'd love to learn your recipe. Here I have a pot. I'm going to put our mixture in it and add 2 cups of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to stir while it melts. I'm going to stir the mixture until it reaches a brigadeiro type consistency. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes out to Maria Gray from Queensland, Australia. I'm very happy you're enjoying our recipes. When the mixture gets to this consistency, I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it to a dish that has already been lined with plastic wrap. With the help of a spatula, I'm going to adjust it so it stays uniform, and after that, I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. I'm going to put this in the fridge for 4 hours. After 4 hours, I'm going to take it out of the dish and put it on a board. I'm going to use the edges of the plastic wrap to help me take it out, like this. Now I'm going to cut our dessert in half with a knife, next in strips, and lastly in cubes. Make this recipe at home and come back after to tell me what you thought of it. I'm sure that you and your family are going to love it. Finally, I'm going to sift powdered milk all over our dessert with a strainer. And our recipe is ready. Look at how delicious it turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video up to here. See you in our next video. Ciao!